Look, we got clouds to the right.
And sun to the
We got
left.
sun to the left. Dwayne Underwood, we got him twice earlier. Cool cat. Here's number 1 warming up. We're at Four Winds Field, South Bend, Indiana. It's really close to Michigan.
Yeah.
Just got a little drizzle, sweating a little bit. And look, there's the press box up there. There's the score, 1-0 Loons, but this game is early. Oh, whiff, Central. He gone. Nice play by the catcher. And that's the inning. I just love these clouds and sun.
Every South Bend Cubs strikeout this season, powered by the Jordan Automotive Group.
And that's the end of the video.
Food for Kids program.